Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
This is an interior fuse panel underneath this compartment here. We're going to pull on this handle, and then we're going to grab the compartment and just pull it straight out like that. There's a key on this side that tells you which fuse is which. There's actually a little tool here. You can grab the tool, pull that out, find the appropriate fuse you're looking for. So like this one right here. To slide this on and then pull it out just like that. And there's the fuse. To reinstall the fuse, just slide it back into place and just push it in. So I'll show you how to take another fuse out. Let's see. You take the blower motor fuse out. That's this 15 amp fuse up top here. Just gonna take this fuse puller, just slide it on like that, and I can just pull it out, and then the fuse slides through the puller. As you can see, the fuse is good. It's a 15 amp. So I'll take the fuse and just slide it back in place and push it in. And there's also a few relays up above. And to reinstall the puller, you just slide it in here and just lock it in. You can reinstall this compartment cover. Just like that, slide it in. There's a couple tabs right here. Those line up down here. And then these two tabs go through there, just like that, and lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.